Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gell here to share the November 2025 Flavors of the Month kit. So your Flavors of the Month comes out every month, includes 4 brand new collections. You get cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. So it's a great way to get a sampling of all the new products coming out without breaking the bank. This month our 4 collections are 49th and Market Botanical Buzz, Bella Boulevard Documents, Pink Fresh Paige Evans Legendary, and Simple Story Simple Vintage Flannel Season. So you're going to get a wide variety of styles and just product to use to scrapbook a little bit of everything. Along with your kits, you also receive a sample of gourmet coffee. Sip that up while you're unboxing. Stay warm if it's cold where you're at like it is here. You also have access to 4 recipe cards. These are double page layouts designed by our design team, and they give you their cutting and assembly instructions, and you can create right along with them. You also have access to a free exclusive cut file designed exclusively for you by Cut to You. This month is this photo of the day, so you get the little camera with the little Instax photos and the title photo of the day. Perfect for our scrapbooking. So let's dig right in and take a closer look at everything you're going to get in this month's Flavors of the Month. Our first collection is Botanical Buzz from 49th and Market. You're going to start with 2 sheets of cobblestone. This paper here called Cheerful, which with 49th and Market, you always get these perfect background pages ready for a photo and some journaling. This is a beautiful floral. And then we have the honeycomb print on the back. This paper is called Fresh. So we have the burlap layers behind the paper and then all of the mixed media with florals at the bottom. And this gorgeous wood grain. Have this one called Fragrant. Whoops, had an embellishment up there. And the back is this super adorable kind of flower filled, but you can see the little honeycomb and the bees in here. Just the attention to detail is amazing on these collections. So one more look at your patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get some chipboard words, and then you're also going to get some die cut elements. So the embellishments will vary among the kits, but you will get something very similar to that. So that is Botanical Buzz from 49th and Market. Our next collection is Documented by Bella Boulevard. You're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. We have this camera print. This paper is called Captured with a blue grid on the back. This paper is called Routine. We have a black scalloped, and the back is a bold striped in all of the different colors with a pop of polka dot. I like the little touch of polka dot there. That's different. This paper called Real Life, which is the hexagons and all of the different colors, and a yellow polka dot on the back. So super vibrant and fun. Your embellishments will vary among the kits, but you're going to get a row of enamel dots that will coordinate. You're going to get an assortment of the ephemera icons and the word icons. So here are some of the words that I got and the icons with the florals and the typewriter. Super cute. Great for everyday documenting. So that is Bella Boulevard Documented. Next up is Legendary from Paige Evans and Pink Fresh. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. Your patterned paper is this one. This is the Vibe, which has all of the arrows. The back is a triangular design on green, so that could kind of read as trees or geometric shapes. This paper is trending now, so we have all of the numbers. And the back is a orangey red design. This paper is Real Life, which we have all of the cell phones with the little words, next level, scroll, snap, share, no filter, no regrets, can't stop watching, viral moment, super cute. And the back is a woven design in the aqua. So one more look at your patterned papers. For your embellishments, you're going to get a mixture of embellishments. So you're going to get some of the chipboard pieces. So these up here are chipboard, and they are adhesive. And then a mixture of the ephemera icons like these over here and the journaling spots down here. So you get a wide variety of embellishments. Please remember that those will vary among the kits. So that is Legendary from Paige Evans. Our final collection is the Simple Vintage Flannel Season from Simple Stories, and this is gorgeous. I just love the colors in this collection. So you start with 2 sheets of gray cardstock. This paper here is called Winter Joys, so we have the florals with the red birds. The back is a tone-on-tone green print with all of the leaves, the foliage. We have this one, Stayin' Cozy, which is the wood grain with the images of the bird on top of the pine cone bough. And the back is a plaid. We have snowflakes on a blue plaid. This is called Ready, Set, Snow. And the back is a text print that's tone on tone. Hopefully you can see all that, but there's some kids sledding. Kind of looks like a newspaper print. Great background there. So one more look at your pattern papers. For your embellishments, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have this cute little border down here. It's scalloped with the plaid, but then it has the wood grain with the black zigzag stitching. Super cute. Word labels. Left the little tags. Flannel season. You're going to see those florals again. Look at these adorable snowmen. Are they not cute? It's just that vintage vibe. So that is Flannel Season from Simple Stories. One more look at your Flavors of the Month kit. Be sure to check out the 3 add-ons we have available that coordinate. You can add on cardstock, pattern paper, or embellishments. Be sure to join us on the Facebook group and the blog. We have lots of challenges and prizes and inspiration over there. We want to thank you so much for watching and subscribing, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.